Hello, my name is Daryl Tanner. I'm the CEO of King Memory. King Memory's mission is to have the largest selection of part numbers, brands, specs, conditions of memory in stock always. We're direct with Samsung for the latest and greatest, and we do a significant amount of contract manufacturing on the desktop and laptop side, and of course carry a very large selection of system pulls from a variety of brands, part numbers, grades, specs, you name it. If it's memory, we got it. We've been in business for 14 years, and I encourage you, if you have anything memory related, don't hesitate to reach out to us, whether you're looking to buy or whether you're looking to sell. We're here to get all your memory needs met.